All right, what's up, fam? Welcome back. This is 2020.48.26.1. It is probably, we're gonna make a left-hand turn here. It is probably time for an update, but this is the 9th build since October 21st. All right, we got some debris over here. It moved over slightly, not all the way. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. I know I've been a little bit soft this week, but hoping to get some good footage here. All right, so we have a car up here. It's gonna didn't need to move over. We have a car over here. It was interesting. It just kind of you felt it slow up a little bit there because that car is not exactly parked. All right, so we're gonna be making a right up here. Congrats to all the Tesla shareholders out there. It's a huge win for all of us that have been long Tesla bulls. Especially, you know, if you've been around since 2017 or before, which I would assume a decent amount of you are, you would know the all the heartache, all the FUD, all the ups and downs of the stock, you know, pre-split. I think it was pre-split. It could barely make it around like 220 to 250, hovered around 180 for a long time. So these are all just like, you know, huge things, part of the story. I mean, this week Elon got to the you know, richest person in the world metric. So he is the richest person, and he responded to me. So low key, I don't know if that, you know, if Elon found out that he was the richest person in the world by my tweet. It literally happened that day, but he responded. I said, "Hey, Elon's the richest person in the world, worth 190 billion." Dude sent 2 responds. How strange. Well, ... back to work. And you know, as any investor would love to see, that's what you want to see. But at the same time, this is coming from a guy who's making huge changes to tons of industries, space being one of them, the automotive industry, technology industry. He's got Neuralink, OpenMind, a lot of other companies. All right, so we're gonna be making a left here. One call out too, I think specifically on, you know, that just transition, it still goes over that lane slowly. So it's a little bit frustrating because it should be making the transition into that lane a lot sooner. I think it's just a smaller portion, but yeah, that's something that has not been changed. I did right now just take it up to 40 just because I can't take all day to get to this location, have a appointment. All right, so we're gonna hit a light here. We have an owner and a dog coming, and this truck on the right is backing up because he was obviously way over in the white lane. All right, so now, all right, so we have this car here. It just turned green, so, and I think there's a construction up here, so we will see how it responds to this construction zone. It's just, hopefully we can get through this light, and there's a decent amount of traffic today. And all right, so we're gonna keep going straight. All right, so we have construction coming up, so it should be able to tell, and it's moving over. Wow, that is sick. The whole lane is blocked off, mate. That is what's up. It handled that. You're gonna hear it like a champ, fam. Yes. Okay. Cool. So there's a cone over here, and it actually, I need to give it slight pressure. All right. Wow, that's gonna be, I'm gonna love to post that clip. Okay. But yeah, here we're going. So I had to move over a little bit. So we're gonna get behind this car here. All right, so we're at a light right now, just waiting to get through it. But I actually did not know how I was gonna handle that. Well, so from looking from afar, at least from the construction zone perspective, I think I had been down the road. I wasn't using FSD Beta. Oh, why is it stuck at 30? Oh, it's because I brought it down to 30, I guess. But just threw it up to 35, and so yeah, so I think going down the road before, it actually, you know how sometimes construction zones, they will totally have it, create kind of their own path, and that's actually what I thought we were headed into. But either way, that was perfectly handled. It saw a ton of construction zone, saw the opening, and moved over, with cars around too. So I think it's just, step by step, we're all headed in the right direction, and not headed in the right direction, but things are looking good. So you okay back there? What? It's taking too long. Well, we'll be there soon. All right. Yet. All right, so we're coming up to a stop, handling this well. So we're going through this light. making a right-hand turn up here. That was a little bit weird. I did press the accelerator a little bit there. That's like the first time I've had to do that, but I didn't know what was going on right there. All right, so getting in the middle lane, and eventually we will be doing a lane change.